What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, and I'm out here in a home in Prosper, Texas, doing a theater installation. We are supplying some of the parts, as well as the customer supplying some of the parts. So alright guys, so we're starting here in the back of the room, getting all of our speakers cut in. We're going to be using a few different models. The Pro 16RW, and that's going to go in the wall. That's the reference wall series. And then we're going to be using the reference ceilings as well, right here in the rear of the room. And these are going to go in the pre-wired termination points, but we will not be using that wiring. We're going to run new, but we're going to go ahead and get them cut in, get the rears cut in, get all the wires ran all in one go around. That way we can save ourselves a little time in the attic. It's hot. We want to minimize that. Yes, sir. All right, check it out. Don's just got the back bracket on here on the back of the TV. We're going to measure out the distance between where that center speaker is going to be in relation to the TV and get this bolted into the wall at the correct height, so we just have a ½ inch. We can relocate electrical for you guys. But in this situation, the customer opted just to have us mount the TV right up against the bottom of the center speaker because he wants it low, and then that saves cost as well.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good right there, man. It's sitting on this couch, you're looking right at the center of the TV.
All right, guys, we're moving right along. Take a look. We just got TV put up there. We're measuring it out, make sure that we're center. We are level with earth. Guys are working on running those lines down to our termination point in the back of the room as we speak. All right, guys, so you can see we are moving right along. Thomas is popping in that back piece right now, which is going to secure those toggles temporarily to the sheetrock, and then the speaker is actually going to just hang right on those hooks, and then you screw it in and it'll tighten the speaker right onto the sheetrock for a permanent install. And we're going to be doing that here as well as here, and then up in the ceiling. If you guys are wondering why there's white wire and black wire, we are running the black wire. We are completely rewiring this room. We're not using any of the wiring that was here because we're putting everything back in the closet. So you can see we're making pretty good headway. Over here, we got all of our lines for the front, which we're gonna walk right around, bring them out here. I was originally gonna have it brought up through the Smurf tube, but there's a little attic access back there, which turned out to be a blessing. And then the guys are over here right now shooting the wires down the wall. We are moving along. It's already taped in the right direction. You just gotta pull it.
Oh, that's magnetic. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Yes,
all right, we're making progress, guys. We got all of our lines fished back here, and you can see the guys are putting the plate on right now. We're also vacuuming, cleaning up the room. We got our in walls in the rear hooked up, as well as our in ceilings up here. All the wiring is terminating back here in the closet, which I'll show you in just a minute when we get the amp hooked up. All right, check it out. This is the equipment area. We did relocate all of the wiring here, and you can see we have the customer's cable box, Orbi, Pioneer Elite, Netgear, the NVIDIA Shield, Apple, all hooked up, connected to his receiver. Now we're gonna run the calibration. Wires are tidy down there and surge protected. You're gonna get it sounding nice for him. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap. The customer is super happy with the setup. I think it sounds awesome. We optimized it, got this whole system put in like 3 hours. I mean, we went beast mode on this room, just cut all the holes in, reran every single line. Let me show you exactly what we did here today. So we ran underneath the carpet, right to there, shot it up the Smurf tube. We tried to take it around, but the HDMI wasn't long enough, so we took it up with, actually I think we took the Cat 6 and speaker lines that way, and we took the HDMI up. And then we ended up running a new subline, put new lines in for the Atmos, ended up using the holes that were there from the pre-wire, and then we got our rear surrounds in over here, and we're using the customer's little 8-inch. In the cabinet here, you can see we got everything hooked up, looking good, nice and organized. Can't complain. All right, guys, well, if you would like us to do something like this for you, you live in Dallas, well, really anywhere now. We've been traveling a little bit, but you give us a call and we'd be happy to help you out. We do carry all of these products. If you would like to purchase anything, you know who to call. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. You guys have a good one.